size of the fucking engine on it. It's enormous.
That one's bigger.
Well, that keeps your balls warm, doesn't it?
I've got Hayabusa as well, 1300.
That's well long as well, aren't they? I was pulling it behind you. I'm like, oh, if I fucking got my camera on, I'll have a look to see what that bike is later. So I look the plate up, and then he goes, Deeply! I'm like, it can't be one person, because who knows I'm coming in and out with this. So I'm like, it's fucking Chris, obviously.
Still you know, bloody weather on that.
Yeah.
If it gets to zero, I'm not going on.
Doesn't look nice, that, pal.
You know, you see.
Yeah. Quite mild actually, isn't it?
Yeah, well,
It's quite mild, isn't it?
yeah, it's not bad.
It's alright, I can live with this shit.
Yeah, no rain. That's
No,
not
exactly, yeah. Driving through Burnage always reminds me of Chris Gordon Worswick.
Oh, yeah.
Because he used to live in Burnage, didn't he?
Oh, did it?
Yeah. Fucking wonder what that fucker's doing. Fucking balance.
Bloody taxi.
What a balance.